Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you smash that like button and subscribe, and I hope that you comment, because I'm barely getting any comments. I really don't care about the subscribers or like the likes or views or whatever. I really don't care for that. But moving on. So my friend Bella, she came over. She's my friend. I'm not going to say anything else because personal privacy. And yeah, she's one of my good friends. Like one of my really good friends. So yeah. Everyone come up here. This is so cool. Everyone come up here. This is so cool. So my friend Bella, she is here. She's in the bathroom. And yeah, so I came back and it's been the best day. When you left my pack. I should move you as a buddy then. I'm moving you as a buddy. Now none of my buddies are on. Hi. What? I'm making a video. So she's watching me. Bella's watching me right now. This video is not going to be long because I'm lazy and I don't want to edit it. Something that's really long. Please come to my den. Today's my birthday. I don't care about your birthday. Should I say it?
Yeah.
She said yeah, but I don't want to because I'm not a mean person. I'm just gonna get rid of it. But why should we go to your den? Are you gonna scam us? I got scammed on Rainbow Kid. But I didn't stop. I'm getting more chips.
Cookies ahoy. I can't speak today.
Yeah, she can't speak English. You know where it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was with you before.
Okay, that is true. I'm not gonna... Oh, my other buddies too. Well, I have nothing better to do. That's nice to know. That's nice to know. I actually really don't care. Oh, let's see what's on your tray. And you left. Don't go. Oh, that's so bad. Bella's back.
Person?
Yes. I know I'm a human.
And you know we have to clean up the mess.
I know. We were playing and then we stopped. And we need to clean up the mess.
Yeah.
But I'm lazy and I don't want to do it.
Too bad.
You know what I did? Because yesterday she was supposed to come over, but she had karate, didn't she? And I cleaned up my whole room because I was like, Bella's coming over, I gotta clean up my room. And it took hours and she never came over and I was like, I cleaned up my room for nothing. Didn't I, Bella? Because my room was a mess, and my dad said maybe you should go clean up your room, and I said okay. So I went to go clean up my room, and then you never called, and I was just like, I sound like a murderer when I do that voice, don't I? Okay, where should I go? Should I go to Bella? Should I go to Jamal Township, Apollyon? I'm already in Apollyon, so Canberra Outback.
Can you speak like me today?
Why? Why should I talk like you today?
Because I can't speak English.
Yeah, she can't speak English. Well, she can speak English. She's just
Lazy.
too lazy. You gotta put the thing back where it was. Bella, put it nicely back. Should I clean it back? Should I like do all that over again just for you?
Yes.
Okay, Bella, you know what I want you to do? So this thing is, my friend Bella is going to try Animal Jam.
No.
You're going to decorate a den for me.
No.
Yeah,
No.
yeah,
No.
yeah, 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 yeah. She's saying no over and over again if you can't hear her. So, this is going to be in second, like, episode 1, episode 2. So we're going to do that in whole one day because Bella... This video is pretty much already long enough. So Bella, I'm gonna clear my den, and I want you to decorate it for me. So I'm gonna show you what you can do. So here's all the things. We have internet things, like we have all these stuff here that you can use for the house. Then you can go into the furniture and find what you want to find. You can look through that. Then you can go to the kitchen area. This is I don't know. And then here's like the outdoor things. We got some plushies. Got rugs.
Oh, wow.
We got plants. I have a lot of it. We have wall floors.
I have chocolate on my fingers.
And we have wallpaper. And then we have toys for my animals. And if you can go over here, you can like grab all my animals that I have. I have those many. This is the one that I want to have because it's evil like my thing. Then you can go over to here and change the music. This is this music, that music, this music, this music, this music, and this music. I say you do this music because that goes with the den. So, yeah. So, are you going to decorate it for me, Bella?
No.
More going on my tablet. He's going on my tablet again. Bella, you gotta clean it. You gotta make this pretty. Because you're good at decorating, aren't you? Aren't you good at decorating? So I'm gonna give the thing over to Bella, and she's gonna, decorate it for me, aren't you, Bella?
No, I am.
Yes, you are. Okay, she finally agreed to it.
No.
Yes, you did.
Lyle.
You even said so. Okay, ready? So here she is. Hi guys, this is me, Bella.
Nothing like me, Emma.
So I'm going to decorate Emma's den for her. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Yeah, let's do this. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna have so much fun decorating. Look at this. This seems so easy. Why haven't I ever tried out for Animal Jam? Okay, Bella, I think you're gonna do a great job at this. I know, I'm so good at this, ain't I?
That is nothing like me.
Oh my God, Ava, why are you even speaking? That's Bella! Say hi, Bella! I mean, Ava! I can't... No. So, Ava's here, Bella's here, and I'm Bella, and Ava, and I'm here. And Emma's here. So I need to...
Spell blank long. It's Brace.
Be quiet, Ava. What was I gonna spell again? Apple tree? No, blossom tree. Blossom. B-L-O. There we go. We got the tree that we wanted. So we're gonna work out outside? Yeah, let's work outside. Yeah, so let's change the wallpaper. So, yeah, we got the wallpaper. Purple looks pretty.
Now let's change this to that. That looks totally so pretty. So we're gonna do another video in a few minutes. So this is episode 1. I hope you guys enjoyed and cause
Wait, what?
and I hope that's Ava speaking. So I hope that you enjoyed. Now I hope you subscribe, comment, and like. Bye, people.